Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable screenshots on the Apple Watch 8. First, let's go back to the clock face by pressing on the crown button on the side. Then, from the watch face, press on the crown button to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then go down and tap on general. Next, we scroll down and tap on screenshots. Now tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is on, you can press on the crown button and the side button. So press on both of this button at the same time to take a screenshot like that. And to view the screenshots, you need to go to your iPhone Photos app and open up the library. And in the screenshots folder, you'll be able to locate your screenshots from the Apple Watch. And after that, you can press on the crown button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.